Okay, so number 4, similar. I'm gonna again do some algebra to get this guy looking in standard form. So I have 17 over 4, and then we have x minus 4. Okay, so this time my variable already is positive, so I don't have to do any shifting or factoring out negatives. Because of the minus 4, our graph is going to get shifted 4 units to the right. So 17 over 4 is still bigger than 1, so we're exhibiting exponential growth. Standard equation would go through the point 0, 1. Because of the minus 4, we get shifted 4 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would still go up 1. So graph would be going through the point 4, 1. So we're going to look for a graph that shows exponential growth and grows through the ordered pair 4, 1. So this first one, 1, 2, 3, looks like 4, 1, so that looks good. This is decay, not growth. This is growth, but it goes through the order pair 1, 1, and this is growth, and it has been shifted vertically up, and we don't have a vertical shift, so option 1 is going to look the best. Okay, and we'll do number 5 here. So number 5, although it looks a little bit different, I'll show you the algebra behind it. Okay, so we're given 1 over 2 to the x, and then minus 1. Okay, so we can really show this as 1 over 2 to the x power, because 1 raised to any power is still 1. So even though they didn't put the x there, you can. And because of properties of exponents, this is the same as saying 1 over 2 to the x power. Okay, so we have something that is less than 1 now. So this graph is going to be exponential decay. Okay, and it should still go through the point 0, 1. Okay, but we have a minus 1 here. This minus 1 is going to shift this graph down 1. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. Instead of going through the point 0, 1, it's going to go through 0, 0, and it's going to flatten out at negative 1 instead of 0. So your graph should be showing exponential decay going down this way and flattening out at negative 1 instead of 0, and going through this point 0, 0. So this is how I do most of these using transformations. Growth and decay, they just either decrease or increase, and additional terms outside will shift y, with the x will shift left and right, and so this is the picture that we want to see. And you can graph these. I've kind of been just doing them by hand, but if you wanted to, and the textbook goes through this in the Learn, I'm going to clear out what we have, and I will just type it like it is: 1 divided by 2 raised to the x, and then a minus 1. And then if we graph this, just barely goes below and flattens out. So this is the image that we get. Okay, so you can graph these and just kind of pick out the picture that matches, but being able to do it by hand will also kind of help you. So going through 0, 0, this is the only one I've seen. None of these others even go through 0, 0 with decay. So this is the one we want.